Hello, I present to your attention our research on the topic Application of Blockchain Technology in Accounting and Audit, International and Domestic Experience. The research was carried out by Mariia Nezhyva, Olha Zaremba and Viktoria Nehodenko, Kyiv National University of Trade and Economics, Financial Analysis and Audit Department. The article is devoted to the study of blockchain technology in the financial sphere of Ukraine, as well as accounting and audit of their application in domestic and international practice. The article contains data on the prospects of blockchain development in the world in Ukraine, as well as information on the peculiarities of the use of such technologies in the respective areas accounting and audit. The article argues that the development of blockchain technology will enable the transition to more modern methods and techniques, which in turn will allow to modernize the accounting and auditing system. The principle of triple entry as a major component of blockchain technology in accounting is emphasized. One of the most promising areas of application of blockchain is accounting for accounts payable and receivable, tax accrual and payment, record keeping and documentation. The article highlights the advantages and disadvantages of using blockchain technology in the financial sphere of Ukraine. Given the current development of the information environment, the question of improving information technologies and their application in the enterprise management system to increase the competitiveness of economic entities is particularly acute. This necessitates an increase in the cost of IT technology, the introduction of innovation and the broad information of the business environment. Among the advanced technologies of the last decade, the most important is blockchain technology, which is implemented in various fields, including financial. The experience of scientists and practitioners suggests that the use of blockchain technology in accounting and audit will directly improve this process, in particularly change the work of an accountant. This will happen through the introduction of change the very basis of the accounting system. However, there are a number of unresolved problems, as blockchain is currently in the experimental stage of development. This determines the need to improve this issue and accordingly determines the relevance of the topic under study. The purpose of the article is to determine the role of modern blockchain technology in financial areas, in particular in the field of accounting and audit, to study the results of implementation of this technology in foreign countries and to identify promising areas of development for Ukraine. A positive moment for the development of the blockchain was the approval of the concept of digital economy development. This concept is designed to encourage the digitization of all areas of economic activity, stimulate the use of digital technologies in enterprises, and indicate the priority of the development of these technologies at the state level. Consider the key strategies goals facing Ukraine in the run-up to 2030, shown on the slide. Digital technologies have become the basis for the creation of new products, values, properties, and consequently the basis for gaining competitive advantage in most markets. This led to the shift of innovation centers from large companies to small ones, startups. Digital transformation leads to the emergence of new unique systems and processes that make up their new value essence. The world economy is significantly affected by business models of the common economy or the sharing economy, which operates on the basis of digital technologies. Part of this trend is cloud technology. Virtualization makes it possible to significantly reduce the initial capital cost of deploying the necessary digital infrastructure through the use of cloud technologies and software-defined architecture. The use of artificial intelligence is spreading to more and more areas and sectors of the economy. The number of companies that use it to one degree or another is growing exponentially. Artificial intelligence based on the processing of large data sets allows you to optimize processes and improve the quality of digital products and services. A blockchain is a chain consisting of a large number of blocks, each containing a variety of information. Each subsequent block contains information about the previous one in encrypted form. The uniqueness of this technology is that the entire data register is decentralized and its copies are stored simultaneously on tens of thousands of computers around the world. This provides the highest level of protection against external influences. The data contained in the system cannot be deleted or replaced. Such a database is characterized by anonymity and a grid mechanism. It is not owned by a specific entity, is not controlled or regulated by third parties. All functions in a blockchain system are distributed among its members, who pre-approve changes that may occur in the system. Thus, it is virtually impossible to make changes and edit after the transaction. The above information proves the ideal of blockchain technology for accounting purposes because it monitors all transactions and changes in the system, prevents manipulation and distortion. There are different types of blockchain. The level of access is open, closed, and consortium blockchain. The peculiarity of open blockchain is that absolutely anyone can join the public network. The participant has the opportunity to read, add new entries, and participate in blockchain processes. There is no external control in the open type. Closed blockchain in turn requires permissions for user access, imposes various restrictions. There is control over who exactly has the right to become a member of the network and in what transactions can participate. Creating a system of stable accounting, a common registry, is cryptographic coding virtually impossible to falsify, destroy data, or hide activity. Blockchain technology can be combined with an existing accounting system in the form of local blockchain within a single enterprise or group of companies. Today, some companies are implementing blockchain for certain types of transactions. Currently, there are no enterprises which complete transformation of processes into blockchain technology. There are features of blockchain technology such as distributed ledger, triple entry, the main feature, while accounting uses dual entry, real-time updates, transparency, irreversibility, and more. All of them have a direct impact on accounting and audit. Thus, the implementation of blockchain technology in accounting and auditing, according to most scientists, is a promising direction for improving this field. Investigating this issue, we can conclude that blockchain technology is developing at a rapid pace in various manifestations. This technology is transforming some of the outdated accounting and audit methods. Advantages of its introduction are at the enterprise are reduction of expenses for keeping of accounting, carrying out of audit, increase of access to the information, its more reliable protection, unnecessary keeping of documentation in a manual way, in paper form. Blockchain improves relationships with contractors and extends enterprise access to finance. However, there are some doubts, including the overload of carries with a wealth of information, the possibility of cyber attacks, the negative impact on the environment. Only through a comprehensive analysis, evaluation of all factors influencing management personnel can determine the feasibility of introduction blockchain technology in accounting and audit in the enterprise. Thank you for your attention.